Hey everyone, and welcome to Bitcoin Crypto News. We have important updates about DWE, Digital World Exchange.
Hey everyone, Mike Klingler here. Just want to give you a quick update. If you're having issues logging in or with any other aspects of the Digital World Exchange site, this explains why. We just got an email, they're updating it. It says, hey everyone, we are currently doing updates to the website to handle the number of users trying to sign in and register. You guys may have heard, last I heard, they had over 600,000 people, and I think it was growing, so it's probably much bigger who registered. So, a pretty extraordinary load because the update will take about 24 to 48 hours and the site may be down for a bit. While we are making this update, we are adding more coins to trade. We're very excited for you all to be a part of our exchange and want to make it the best possible experience for you. So again, this is very early. We don't know what's going to happen, but I know that the intentions of Alex are in the right place as the owner of Digital World Exchange. It's an incredible feat to be able to launch an exchange in the United States with compliance and everything, and yet they're doing it. So if you didn't know, if you have TechCoin, there was an opportunity to get involved with Digital World Exchange. I think that opportunity is passed as of June 1st. I haven't heard different, but if you were a part of that, you may want to subscribe to this video because I'm going to keep giving you updates as I hear more. And I just wanted to let you guys know that there was issues for the next 24 to 48 hours that are planned as they update the site in case you bought tokens or you tried to do something and the site wasn't working the way you wanted it to. You're having trouble logging in like I was about an hour ago. Now we know why. They're updating the system. So give it 24 to 48 hours. I'm recording this on June 2nd, which is Saturday. So unless we hear another update, we should, according to this, expect it to all be working well by Monday evening or Tuesday. Okay, so maybe it'll work for you now, but he was just giving us a heads up that there could be issues. Subscribe to this channel if you want more updates about Digital World Exchange as it evolves, and I'll talk to you guys soon.